All right, guys, so now in these bonus lectures, this is really cool. You saw the power of how we can generate, mass quantities of emails with Atomic Email Hunter, but some of them can be they can be, some of them are a little bit untargeted, so to speak. You get a lot of different emails that might not necessarily be legitimate. While you do get a good amount of legitimate ones, some of them aren't as targeted as targeted as you'd like. So I'm going to go through a couple examples here in some of the bonus lectures, and this is the really cool stuff. This is going to be using sites that you know and you trust, and extremely targeting them with Atomic Email Hunter. This is really cool. So I'm going to go through, obviously Facebook will be the first one, and I'll show you that. Then Yellow Pages, then Craigslist, and then LinkedIn. So we're going to go through the process of all of these. But just to go back through here, let's say you wanted to go to make money online and worldwide pops up. Like I said, there's a million different groups of targeted niches. And you can see that I've joined this one already. So all these people in this group are targeted. Wouldn't it be phenomenal if you could figure out a lot of these people's emails? Well, there's no sure true-fire way unless you look through each one of them and check out their abouts and their bios, whether you can find out their emails or not. And there's no software that I know of at the moment, at least, that will do that. But all these people are extremely targeted. They all, are interested in making money online. These, if you can get their emails, that would be a extremely profitable email list, extremely targeted. So while you can't scan this specific group, you could by doing this if you wanted to. What I suggest is just scanning for that keyword on Facebook, and this is what I mean. It will target multiple different pages like this, and it will also be extremely targeted to the email addresses that you want. Let me show you what I mean by this. So right now we're going to go into the back into the search bar, and what we're going to do is we're going to type in any keyword that you can imagine, as it relates to what your niche. So mine was make money online. Make money online. And then what we're going to do is to make it a little bit more targeted, and you can see I have it right here already, but I'm just going to go through the process of it with you. Then we're going to add, Gmail's usually a good one, at plus at gmail.com, and this is exactly what you're going to put in here, and then we're going to go plus at Yahoo. And then you're going to space it again, and you're going to say site Facebook.com. And what that's going to do is it's telling this search that you're going to search Facebook.com for emails that relate to that have the tag of gmail.com or yahoo.com in pages similar to make money online in that targeted keyword. So watch, this is going to be, obviously it's not going to generate nearly as much, but they're going to be much more targeted and much more profitable. So now that we've had this going, let's start it. And we'll just let it run for a little bit. You can see the URLs on the right start popping up. And there we go. It's there's an at Facebook, which is weird. But the majority of them will be at Yahoo and Gmail, and much more targeted. I'm just going to let this run for a second, kind of show you the possibilities here at your fingertips. What you can do with these emails once you get them, and this is really cool stuff here. The possibilities with Atomic Email Hunter are literally endless. Once you understand what to type into the search bar and how to search through sites and traffic. So there you go, guys. I'm not going to just sit here and let it load, and load emails for minutes on end, but I just want to kind of show you what you can do and how you can extremely target sites, especially Facebook. And don't forget to throw the tags in there. If you like Hotmail, throw Hotmail in. You can get them all, but that way you're not going after other sites or other people that are work emails necessarily. I mean, you'll start to notice you get once in a while you get something like that, but the majority of them are email and Yahoo, extremely targeted leads.